I'm going to go over the arm model now. First, I want to give you a good look at it. Okay, so the main thing that you need to pay attention to when it comes to the arm model, I think, is whether you're looking at an anterior view or a posterior view. So if this is hard to do. Okay, here we go. So if the arm was on a body, this would be a left arm, and this is the way it would appear. Well, like this, really. Yeah, like this. Okay, so you should recognize the deltoid muscle. This is actually pretty easy to recognize. It's triangular shaped, right? The Greek letter delta, capital delta, is a triangle, and that's how it gets its name. I'm going to pull that off so we can see what is underneath. So once again, this is a posterior view here, and you can see the spine of the scapula to help orient you. And that means that the posterior side of the upper arm right here is the triceps brachii. Now I'm going to turn it around, and this part of the model is normally covered up by lungs and the pectoralis major and all kinds of stuff. That all sits on top here. That means this is the biceps brachii, the anterior side of the arm. The only muscle in the forearm that you need to learn is the brachioradialis, and that is shown here. So biceps brachii, brachioradialis, triceps brachii, and then the deltoid, which I removed. Those are the easy ones. Now I'm going to try and show you the shoulder muscles. These are the rotator cuff muscles. The rotator cuff muscles are not hard either. First, you locate the spine of the scapula. The muscle superior to the spine is called the supraspinatus, superior to the spine. The muscle inferior to the spine is the infraspinatus, inferior to the spine, and then the teres minor is here. Those are 3 out of the 4. I'm trying to get the light shining right. Oh, I'm going to go over that again with the light shining like this. So supraspinatus above the spine of the scapula, infraspinatus below the spine of the scapula, and then this is lateral and inferior to the spine here is the teres minor. In order to see the 4th rotator cuff muscle, you've got to flip this around. This is called the subscapularis. Sub means underneath, like submarine, right? And it's under the scapula. So this is the scapula. Underneath, if you're facing, if this is a posterior view, then you're looking at under the scapula is the subscapularis.